All right, still working on this save file format. We've written some more lookup tables, inverse lookup tables of prior lookup tables. In the top level lookup table section, we have this index to index section, and we have three lookup tables, L16 to C49, PF8 to C49, and T25 to C49, right? So this is the thumbnail chunks, the prefab chunks, and the L16 chunks. We're going to use a pigeonhole test right here. So we have the different chunk indexes, the generic chunk index, how many birds are in a hole, and our bird holes. These are our bird holes. It's a 7x7 grid of cells, all initialized to 0 to represent this 7x7 grid overlay here. And we're going to make sure that every single one of these lookup tables has the correct number of entries, and then make sure the bird holes have 49, right? Because 7 times 7, 49. We're going to loop through every single L16 cell and grab the C49 cell that it maps to, and then increment that bird hole. We're going to loop through every single prefab cell and look up the C49, right? So prefab to C49, put a prefab cell in, get a C49 cell out, increment that C49 cubbyhole. Same thing with the, what the fuck is T? Thumbnail. We're gonna loop through all thumbnail cells, convert the thumbnail cell to a generic C49 cell, and then we're gonna increment that cubbyhole. And if everything went correctly, if we loop through every single C49 index, 0 to 48 inclusive, the number of birds in hole, right? Bird hole with the index. The number of birds in the hole should be equal to exactly 1. And if it's not, we're going to crash. And we're passing, so I'm fairly certain that these lookup tables are correct. But we're going to have to do more tests for more certainty in more videos. All right, so all the way down here is what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We do not have time here. Source code is down here. Like, subscribe, send money.